Hey everyone, it's Larson in the lab. Well, sort of. We're going to be doing an activity rather than a lab this week, and during this activity, you're going to be reading or listening to me read a little article about organic compounds. After you hear this reading, you're going to answer several questions. You're going to answer number one, what are the three main building blocks of the body? Number two, how do you obtain these components? Number three, organic compounds are built around which chemical element? Number four, what does the word macro mean? Number five, macromolecules are made from smaller building blocks called what? Number six, what is a carbohydrate? Number seven, monosaccharides that are bonded together form what? Number eight, compare how plants and animals store carbohydrates. This reading is called Organic Compounds. You can see a nice looking taco salad there, kind of making me hungry, but let's read about it. What makes up a healthy diet? A healthy diet includes proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Why? Because these compounds are three of the main building blocks that make up your body. You obtain these building blocks from the food you eat, and you use these building blocks to make organic compounds necessary for life. Organic compounds. The main chemical components of living organisms are known as organic compounds. Organic compounds are molecules built around the element carbon, or C, on the periodic table. Living things are made up of very large molecules. These large molecules are called macromolecules because macro means large. They are made by smaller molecules bonding together. Our body gets these smaller molecules, the building blocks or monomers, of organic molecules from the food we eat. Which organic molecules do you recognize from the list below? The four main types of macromolecules found in living organisms are proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are sugars or long chains of sugars. An important role of carbohydrates is to store energy. Glucose, which is in figure 1.1 down below, you can see, is an important simple sugar molecule with the chemical formula C6H12O6. Simple sugars are known as monosaccharides. Carbohydrates also include long chains of connected sugar molecules. These long chains often consist of hundreds or thousands of monosaccharides bonded together to form polysaccharides. Plants store sugar in polysaccharides called starch. Animals store sugar in polysaccharides called glycogen. You will get the carbohydrates you need for energy from eating carbohydrate-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, as well as grains such as rice, beans, or rice, bread, rice, or corn. I don't know why I was thinking of beans. I think it's from this picture up here of this taco salad. Sorry about that, but that is all of your reading for this activity, and hopefully you'll be able to answer the questions that we've talked about here in your Google form. Please email me if you have any trouble at all.